Okay, welcome to everyone. Welcome to day 2 of Pancha Pakshi. So I request each and everyone to mute yourself. If you mute yourself, you will have a very smooth flow of the class. You will understand many things which was very complex while going through any books or any information shared before by anyone. Your cooperation is very, very important. Why? Because when students are cooperative and engaging, that will make the faculty to teach even more and more, which was not even planned. Understand, many of the classes are given because our students have been like this, very supportive and very engaging. And somebody new to the class also, kindly follow the same. Okay, so let's start the class with the prayer. Om Uchishta Ganapati Purpadam Patitam. Om Navapashana Ganapati Purpadam Patitam. Om Tirchandur Murgane Purpadam Patitam. Arupade Vida Murgane Purpadam Patitam. Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundai Dhimahi Danno Danti Prachodayat Arpuda Kirti Vendian Ananda Valke Vendian Narpural Kovidal Vendian Nalamalla Peraka Vendian Karpaka Murti Daiva Kalaksham Tirka Sendre Purpadam Panithu Parir பொய்யில்லை கண்ட உண்மை ஓம் பூர் புவசுவ தத்ச வித்தரோவேனியம் பர்கோ தேவஸ்ய தீமகி தியோ யோன பிரச்சோதயாத் உருவாய் அருவாய் உலதாய் இலதாய் மறுவாய் மலராய் மணியாய் ஒளியாக கருவாய் உயிராய் கதியாய் விதியாய் குருவாய் வருவாய் அருள்வாய் குகனே. Om Agastya Siddhar Purpadam Patitam. Om Sundaranadar Siddhar Purpadam Patitam. Om Ramadevar Siddhar Purpadam Patitam. Dhanavantiri Siddhar Purpadam Patitam. Nandidevar Siddhar Purpadam Patitam. Konganar Siddhar Purpadam Patitam. Boga Siddhar Purpadam Patitam. Goraka Siddhar Purpadam Patitam. Om Idekatar Siddhar Purpadam Patitam. Tirumular Siddhar Purpadam Patitam. Kudumbai Siddhar Purpadam Patitam. Karurar Siddhar Purpadam Patitam. பாம்பாட்டி சித்தரே பொற்பாட்டம் பதித்தம், சட்டமணி சித்தரே பொற்பாட்டம் பதித்தம், பதாஞ்சலி சித்தர் பொற்பாட்டம் பதித்தம், குதாங்கலி சித்தர் பொற்பாட்டம் பதித்தம், அழகண்ண சித்தர் பொற்பாட்டம் பதித்தம், மச்சமணி சித்தர் பொற்பாட்டம் பதித்தம், அனைத்து சிதறங்களுக்கு புத்த பொற்பாதம் பதித்தம், மகரிஷிகள் பொற்பாதம் பதித்தம், ஆதவர் பொற்பாதம் பதித்தம், புங்கவர் பொற்பாதம் பதித்தம், வேதவியாசர் பொற்பாதம் பதித்தம், பராசரர் பொற்பாதம் பதித்தம், Aditri Purpadam Patitam, Romarishi Purpadam Patitam, Vasishtar Purpadam Patitam, Marichar Purpadam Patitam, Bolaka Purpada Patitam, Yavanar Purpada Patitam, Solankar Purpada Patitam, Manu Purpadam Patitam, Brigrishi Purpadam Patitam, Nandirishi Purpadam Patitam, Angirisar Purpadam Patitam, Kashyapar Purpadam Patitam, Gargier Purpadam Patitam, Naradar Purpadam Patitam. Om Guruve Potri, Om Pitrukale Potri, Om Navagram Purpadam Patitam, Guruve Nama. Okay, so let's go to today's class. So yesterday still where did we finish?
Sir, till the Yama, sir. Or like one Yama is equal.
Okay, fine. Now we will go even more further today. Okay. So yesterday we have given the introduction to the Pancha Pakshi, how Pancha Pakshi works, what are the Pakshis and what are the Tattvas and what are the Panchakshārams. All those things we have seen. Today we will dive into the how to identify which bird a particular person is born. Okay, so for this we need to have the knowledge of two things. One is your Nakshatra, another one is your Tithi. Okay, so today and tomorrow and day after is for some days I will be writing a lot. So all these days, I made you to write. And I used to say, now I am going to write. You are going to listen and write. Okay. Is the recording on?
Yes, Guruji,
Yes,
it is
sir.
on.
Okay, fine. Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes, Guruji, it is visible.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So you all know the nakshatra knowledge. So how many nakshatras are there?
27.
27.
27.
27, sir.
Good, good. Okay, fine. Before I go to the class, Arna Mukherjee sir, I pray to the Siddhas, I pray to the Uchishta Ganapati, Navapashana Ganapati to give you good long life and whatever
you, sir.
happiness, everything, let it come true. We wish you a very happy birthday, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, happy birthday, Arnab sir. Many, many happy returns of the day.
Thank you, sir.
Happy
Thank you, ma'am.
birthday,
Happy birthday,
Arnab.
sir. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Mhm. Okay, we wish on behalf of everyone, Arnab sir, happy birthday.
Thank you, sir.
Fine. So let us go to the nakshatras and the tattva. Nakshatra, and this is the Pancha Bhuta Tattva. Ashwini, Bharini, Kritika, Rohini, Mrigashira. So all this belongs to Bhutatva. Okay. Next. Arudra, Punarvasu, Pushya, Aslesha. Or rather, I will tilt it like that so that when you see the recordings, it is full screen for you. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Maka and Purva, Falguni. All this will be water.
Sir, after Mixra, it's Arudra. Can you tell me which nakshatra is this?
After Mrigashira, what nakshatra will come, sir, as per your learning?
Adra?
Correct. Right. It is understand. Even if I read something else also, it is a very common knowledge that after Mrigashira, Arudra will come.
Okay.
Next. Uttara Palguni. Asta. Chitta, Swati, Vishaka, fire, 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 and fire. This is air, wind, or vayu, whatever you write. Okay, anything is fine. Okay, so this is a nakshatra tattva. Okay, irrespective of the paksha, it will remain the same. Quickly take it down. Is it taken?
Yes, Guruji, I have written. Others
Okay.
I have.
I believe others also have written, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Initially, they were giving the full errors. I think some update has taken place, which is not making me to erase fully. Let me check tomorrow. Okay. That is what I told, not to go out. If you go out, this is what the problem. See, now if I want to allow somebody, difficult. Hmm? Is the screen visible again?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Screen
sir.
is
It is
visible.
visible now.
Yeah. Finally, make sure you are not going out. Okay, becomes difficult. Otherwise, see, if I dictate,
Yes,
it will be difficult for
sorry,
you to.
sir.
Mm. Okay, fine. Now we will try to identify what is the Pakshi. Okay, this is for Shukla Paksham. Okay, now we are working for Shukla Paksham. Shukla Paksham. Okay. For Shukla Paksham, they have identified the birds. So if it is Ashwini, what is the Pancha Pakshi? Pancha Pakshi. Vulture. 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 Okay. That is from Ashwini to Mrigashira. It is vulture only. And the next we'll take from Arudra. So from Arudra to Purva Palguni, it will be owl. Then we will see from Uttara Palguni. It will be crow. Okay. And the next from Anuradha. To Uttarashada, it will be cock. Okay. And finally, we have the peacock. From Stravana, the leftover is all peacock only. Okay. So this is the order. So what is the order? 5, 6, 5, 5, and 6. In Krishna Paksha also, or the Amar Paksha, the birds will change, but this order, the formula will be same. If you see that book in BIORHYTMS of Natal Moon, this Nakshatra order will be wrong. You can check. 5, 6, 5, 5, and 6. This is the order. Understand? Now, how many of you are born in Shukla Paksha?
Sir,
Okay. What is your nakshatra?
Vishakha,
Vishaka means what will be your bird?
Crow,
Crow. Perfect. Next, who is born in Shukla Paksha?
Answer.
What is your nakshatra?
Pushya.
Pushya. Pushya means what is your bird?
All.
Super. Next, who is born in Shukla Paksha?
Myself.
Hmm.
Revati is the moon nakshatra.
Revati is the moon nakshatra. That means what will be your bird?
Peacock.
Peacock. Perfect. Next, who is born in Shukla Paksha?
Myself, sir.
What is your nakshatra?
Kritika.
So what will be your Pakshi?
Vulture.
Perfect. Super, sir. Next, Shukla Paksha. Anybody else? Identify your bird. Yes, sir.
Uttara Falguni.
Uttara Palguni. So what will be your bird?
Crow.
Crow. Perfect. Uttara Palguni to Vishaka will be crow. Next. Any more Shukla Pakshas?
Yes, sir. Bharani. Vulture.
Bharani. Vulture. Perfect. Next. That's all Shukla Pakshas. You have to be involved in the subject, Pancha Pakshi. Nobody will give this much time asking and understand. You want to go in a right way. After this completion of 7 days, you should be in a perfect position. Even in dream also, you should remember what is your Pakshi. Any more Shukla Paksha people? No one? Okay, fine. Now, what we will do, we will just reverse it. Understand? But this formula is important. That is the reason that formula I am not erasing. Understand? So if I am reversing it, what will be the bird here?
Peacock.
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 Peacock. Peacock. Peacock. You should not write 6 peacock because in the end it came peacock. This formula is important here. Understand? 5 6 5 5 6. Okay. So what will be the next Pakshi here from Arudra?
Cock.
Perfect. Cock, cock, cock. Cock, cock, and cock. Okay.
So this will not change. This will stay the same, right?
Which one?
The crow one.
It will not change. Uttara Paksha and Shukla Paksha,
Yes.
both it will be same only. But for your
Yes.
practice only, I am erasing it. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Crow, 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 crow. Why? Because see, all these other forms of Panchabhuta Tattva, they can change. Understand? For water, if you add another suitable medium, it can change. Means it can, from water, it can become paper. Or water can also become solid. Like that, each and every other medium can be changed. But Agni Tattva is the only one thing which will always remain the Agni Tattva only. That cannot be changed to other form. So only either in Uttara Paksha, that is either in Purva Paksham or in Amara Paksham, this crow will always remain the Agni Tattvam. So only that crow is also indicating the Lord Subramanya. Okay. Next, we'll see this cock. Okay. So from Anuradha to Uttarashada, what will
Owl.
come?
Owl will
Owls.
come.
Perfect. You all have become masters. Now I should be careful. Very nice. If such kind of involvement is there in the class, then more and more secrets will come out of the teachers' mouth. Okay. So what is the last 6 Pakshis then?
Vulture.
Vulture.
Vulture, sir.
Nice. Very nice.
Vulture.
Vulture. Correct. Super. Okay. Now let us come to the Krishna Paksha people. This is for Krishna Paksha. Okay. Krishna Paksham. So who are the Krishna Paksham people here?
I am Krishna Paksha, Rohini, Peacock.
Peacock. Okay.
I am also sir Krishna Paksha,
Eh,
Shatabisha, Vulture.
Vulture. Okay.
We also, Guruji.
Peacock. Mega madam is Peacock.
Anuradha Owl.
Owl. Okay, super.
So
Okay.
I'm also Krishna Paksha.
Eh?
I'm also Krishna Paksha, sir. Arudra.
Arudra, cock. So, okay.
Right, I'm Krishna Paksha as well. Hasta, I stay crow.
Crow. So, irrespective of the Paksha, your this thing is crow. Perfect. Agni Tattva.
Sir, Rohini, Peacock.
Rogini Peacock. Okay, so a lot of friendly Pakshis are there for me here. Okay.
Swati Nakshatra, sir.
Yes, Swati Nakshatra.
Swati Nakshatra, sir. Crow.
So, what will be
Same
your
here,
Pakshi?
sir. Swati
Crow.
also crow.
Crow.
Crow. Any other persons?
Sir, Shravana, Vulture.
Okay. Now I will ask. You should. Okay. Is anybody there to tell?
Yes, sir. Madan.
Okay. Super. Okay. Somebody is born in Shukla Paksha, and his nakshatra is Punarvasu. What will be the bird?
It will be owl.
Owl, Guruji, owl.
Owl, sir.
Owl. Very nice. But if it is Krishna Paksha?
Cock.
Very nice. Okay. Somebody is born in Krishna Paksha, Purva Palguni.
Cock.
Cock.
Purva.
Okay. If it is Uttarashada Shukla Paksha? Crow.
Uttarashada,
Crow.
Paksha.
Cock.
Cock.
Crow will never cross Vishaka. Okay. That you all remember.
Okay, sir.
If somebody is born in Shukla Paksha and his nakshatra is Pitta.
Crow, sir.
Crow.
Correct. Irrespective of Paksha, you will have. Super. So now is it clear for each one of you how we are getting the
Yes, sir.
nakshatra Pakshi?
Yes, sir.
So there is only two conditions here. First thing is you should know what is your nakshatra. Second thing is you should know what is your Tithi. That means whether you are born in Krishna Pakshama or you are born in Shukla Pakshama. That is very, very important. If you know that, there are no other rocket science in finding out your Pancha Pakshi. Rocket science little bit is there in finding the Nama Pakshi, but that also will break into step by steps. Okay. Anybody have any doubt till here? No, right?
No, sir.
Okay, perfect. Now this Nakshatra Pakshi is throughout your life, this will remain constant. There is no change in that. And some people also say if you don't know your Tithi and or rather your Paksha and Nakshatra, you can use the Nama Pakshi. That is partially correct. Okay, that is partially correct, but not fully correct. Even if you know your Paksham and Nakshatra also, still your Nama Pakshi is very, very significant in your life. That how you use your Nama Pakshi will make sure whether you are successful or you are not successful. Okay. Why I am saying that? All those things we will see now. Okay. So how many birds are there?
5 words.
5, Guruji. 5.
Okay, good. So tell me their general order.
Vulture.
Vulture, owl,
Vulture,
Crow,
peacock.
cock, peacock.
Cock.
Okay. Finally, you all said in a way so that I didn't even remember. Okay. Vulture, owl,
Crow, cock,
Ah.
and peacock.
super. Now we will identify how to do this. Okay. If you're having some noise in the background, please mute yourself.
So this is Tamil, right?
This is Kannada.
So the top one is Tamil, right? Below is Kannada.
Correct. Top one is Tamil. Okay. See, this is the only language I know right from my childbirth. This I learned 15 years ago. This I learned 20 years ago and I forgot. But somehow I have recollected today for this class. Okay, the third one. Fine. Now, this let us take this first two letters. Okay, this first two letters. This vulture. Okay, a means this first two letters are given for vulture. What is the next two letters?
Owl.
E.
E. This is given for owl. Okay. So what is the next three letters?
Crow.
Oo.
So this is given for
Crow.
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 And what is the next two letters?
I it is, sir.
How it will become I? I have to A
No,
only,
sir, in Hindi it is written like AI. It is then this one, sir.
In India,
Hindi it is AI.
it is I. Yeah, okay. Then you ignore that I. You just only take A. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it is A. A comes in what?
Cock.
A comes in cock.
Cock.
And next, what is last one? O.
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 O will come for what?
Peacock.
In Hindi it is O, sir.
So that means you
just
take only
take only
O. O. In Hindi only it is O. Right.
Yes,
so
sir.
O comes in what?
Peacock.
That means A will come in vulture. E will come in owl. O will come in crow. A will come in cock. And O will come in peacock.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
After that, all that other things you can put in your respective languages. Like how they say mane, tene, pun mane. All that you can add. Okay. Fine. Any doubt in this? Anybody? Clear? Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Can you kindly repeat the letters again?
What's that?
Can you kindly repeat the letters again?
You can go through the recording, sir. It was repeated twice, right?
Okay, sir.
Again, if you repeat it, it will not look good.
Right, okay.
Sir, so these are the 5 vowels.
Correct,
Also,
exactly. English
5 vowels also
correct.
of the English
English.
alphabet.
Correct.
So, okay, thank you.
In Kannada, they will say Swaragalu, if I am not wrong. And the other things are there, Kaka Gagana, that are called as Vyanjanas.
Vyanjan.
A, E, I, O, U is a vowel. There is no U in this, right?
Who is nothing
is
but
there?
you? No, madam.
Crow.
Achha, it is U and not U. Okay.
Okay, fine. Now we will do some practice. So what is left over in this for us? Something is left over, right?
Ru is missed. Ru, sir. Ru letter.
Ru,
Aha.
Ru is that is missed.
Aha.
I is missed, Guruji.
I is missing, sir.
I is missing.
The
missing.
die whichever is missing, no, this I is given to Vulture.
Okay.
And one more, what is missing? Au is missing.
Ru. Rushi,
Ru, sir. Ru.
Ru they removed. Now they are not using Ru. Ru was there. Ru they removed. But Ru is used in Kannada and Sanskrit. But because this Pancha Pakshi Shastram it was given by Tamil Siddhas, Tamil doesn't have that word usage of Ru. Okay. So Ru you can ignore. Okay. So Au is missing, right?
Yes, sir. Au is missing.
That Au also will come in this Vulture only. Okay. Au also will come in Vulture.
Vulture.
I will not be there, sir.
What, madam?
I is not there, right?
I is there, no? I already told you, no? It is coming in Vulture.
O also.
Huh?
O also comes in Vulture, right?
I also comes in Vulture. Au also will come in Vulture. Is it clear now?
Sir, how is different from Hindi letters or English letters?
Hindi Au is not there.
Yes,
Hindi,
yes.
how is there, sir? How is there? Oh, how is there?
Au is there.
Like, yes, sir, how is there? That comes for Vulture. That's what sir was saying. It will come for Vulture.
It comes like this, no, in Hindi. Au.
Yes, a double line. So you have to, that is how.
Okay. Okay. Got it, sir.
So this I and Au will come in Vulture. Otherwise, the first two letters are assigned to the Vulture. Means A is Vulture, E is Owl, U is Crow, okay, and A is Cock, and O is Peacock. After giving that, I and Au is remaining. That I and Au also they gave it to Vulture only. Is it clear?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beyond this, I cannot learn language. Understand? What is commonly used in learned. Usually, if you go to the any that BIORHYTMS book also, they are given only in English. A, double A, E, O. That was written by my own guru, Varadacharya. It is not that easy to understand from English language. Definitely, most of the names you will not understand. If you want, you go and try from that English language. Okay, these are Tamil Swarams. Tamil Swarams, and because Kannada is very closely related and it is a Dravidian language, I am able to replicate. But when I took Hindi also, Hindi was also somehow reflecting most of the swars were same. And because some of you are also from northern side, I thought it will be helpful. Understand? So that is the reason very plainly I didn't give you the English word, because that you can see in the book only. When you are coming for our class, something you should get that extra. That's all. So is it clear? Now, anytime anybody asks, you know the alphabets, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Guruji.
so one small request, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what you have written is perfect, sir. But if you could simply pronounce them as the sound that makes, like vulture, I, O. Like this, it is easy to understand.
Sir, that is what we will do is we are going to take exercise. Understand? After this, we will take exercise. In exercise, it will become even more clear. Here it is very simple. Vulture means A and I. If I say A and I, it may not be easy to remember. Only after exercise it will come. Here what we are trying to say is the first two letters are going to the respective first bird. A, I, O is vulture. E is owl. U is crow. A is cock. And O is peacock. After saying this, two letters are remaining. What are those two letters remaining? I and
That is
O.
no, sir. It is ang and aha. I think what you have done previously was correct. It is a, e, u, a, I, o, ang, aha. So ang, aha should come in the vulture as per Hindi with
Madam,
whatever little.
will not come.
Okay,
Please
sir.
hold on. Okay. That
Yes,
is
sir.
what I'm trying to say. Here we are trying to match only with the Tamil alphabets. In
Okay.
Tamil alphabet, there is no and aha.
Okay, sir.
So just listen to my instructions clearly. Vulture means a. Owl means e. Crow means o. And cock means a. Peacock means o. If I do this, there are two letters missing in this Tamil letters. What is that? Is I and O. That missing I and O will come in vulture. Is anybody having any doubt here also? Please ask. Okay, within this.
No doubt, sir. Very clear.
And Professor, thank you for letting me know, because this makes easier. I think this way we could put it in an easier way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is done. Very simple. Two letters are representing one bird. There are two more extra letters. What were those extra letters? Was I and O. That I and O also we are giving to the vulture, the first bird. Okay. Now you may understand. I'll show you why it is we are giving. Now, for example, somebody's name is Ayyapan. Okay. Can't I write like this? Ayyapan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So only this I and AR we are seeing same. Understand? Ayya. Can I write as Ayya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understand? Now there is one saint in Tamil called as Avayar. Okay, her name is Avayar. But if you see in English, they will write as Ovayar. Okay, this O also is written as Avayar. Okay, this might be slightly confusion, but this you can keep it as Ayya means Ayya. Okay, Au, I, A and A will always come in vulture. Okay, fine. Now I will tell certain names. You have to tell me for which bird they are belonging. Okay, for first two words I will help you out. After that you only should do. The more you do, the more I will take. The less you do, I will stop. Arunachalam. Here I am not at all bothered about this. I am only bothered about the first letter, the vowel in that first sound. For this, you say it more. Now Arunachalam. Means what?
Vulture.
Vulture.
Vulture will come.
Ayyapan.
Vulture.
Arun Moli.
Vulture.
Okay. Rajini.
Vulture.
Vulture.
Because Ra means in that Ra, what is hiding?
Okay.
A is hiding.
Ah is there. Vulture.
Vulture.
Manohar. Ma.
Vulture.
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 More than this, nobody can teach. Okay.
Very nice, sir. Very nice.
Fine. Next. Krishnamurthy.
Owl.
Key.
Owl.
Key. In that ka, there is no E hiding. Understand? Key.
Owl.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Twinkle.
Owl.
T.
T.
Okay.
T is there.
Next. Dina.
T, sir.
Owl.
Super. Owl. Next. Muthu.
Crow, sir.
Crow.
In Mu, what is there? Who is there?
Who is there?
Mu,
Crow.
who is there?
Crow.
In Hindi also they will write na ma plus u something. It becomes
Yes,
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 sir.
yes.
mu plus u becomes ma
Hmm.
something.
Crow. Yeah.
So next, Gurumurthy.
Crow.
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 sir.
Crow, sir. Crow.
Crow.
Okay.
Urvashi, sir.
Urvasi, u.
Ooh. Crow.
Crow.
Okay. Srinivasan.
Owl.
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 C.
Owl.
Srinivasan.
Owl.
Owl. Okay. Fine. Okay. Hemalatha.
Cock.
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 Peacock. Who is that? Ayo, Peacock. Peacock is
Cock,
remaining
sir.
5 days. I will not
Cock.
attend the class.
Cock. A. Cock.
Fine. Jyothi.
Peacock.
O is
Peacock.
No.
Peacock.
Peacock.
O.
Peacock.
O is
Oh,
there in the
peacock.
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 Mohan.
Peacock.
Peacock.
Oh.
Peacock.
Oh. So if you stress and tell, then the Tamil words will automatically come. Or if you say Lulu, Telugu will come. Like that, if you stress and Tamil will come. Understand? These are South Indian language secrets.
So somebody's name is Roshan, so it will be under Vulture, no?
No.
Ro.
Row, no peacock.
Peacock.
Peacock. Peacock.
Peacock.
But they spell it like Roshan, yeah, John.
Sir.
So it's
Ro means
vulture.
row.
Row.
Okay. Simple. Roshan means row. Row in
Okay.
that row. O is there. So I'm saying row.
Okay. And in John?
So, sir,
Peacock
if
only.
it is
Ah.
Roshan, then
John.
it will be vulture. If it is Roshan, then
It will be Peacock.
right, because O and O.
Sir, you can call whatever you want, but how you write is important. Okay. So your important thing for you is to catch the logic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For
Can
each
I
and
say,
every
sir?
name,
Yes,
Can I
yes,
say something,
that
sir?
is clear, sir.
It's a easier way is first understand the first tone. Ra.
That I
After
got it. That I got it. No, not an issue in that.
1 second, sir.
Sir,
After
1
ra,
minute.
you add o. Ro. So the o is important, not the spelling.
That we
John.
know. The first
John.
O.
J. A.
Okay. Professor, thank you for clearing it out. See, very simple. Like Sir told, whatever you are doing, you stress that word. Understand? Now I am saying Muthu. If you are saying I will call Muthu, that is up to you. Understand? Muthu, mu. You are stressing that you are trying to take that swarm from that first word.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very clear. Very clear.
You have to take the swarm from the first word. Okay. If you are not able to identify the swarm from the first word, then it will literally become difficult to identify the Nama Pakshi.
But yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Sir, can you give an example of the vulture I and O?
No,
Ow.
you only give that example. You have understood till this, right?
The
You give that
Aurangzeb is vulture. Aurangzeb.
Vulture means Aurangzeb. In Aurangzeb,
Yes.
Au is there. Perfect. Au means it will be vulture.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Got it.
I, and Au.
The name is Maina.
Sir, here I agree Roshan is peacock. Whether I say Roshan or Roshan, but John I think will be vulture because we are writing John. But if I
Madam.
write in Hindi, I'll make it John. I'll write John. I'll not write John.
Shakti madam, 1 minute, please hold on. If you understood the logic, these doubts and all will not come. John means you are writing Ja. Very simple. John means you write John, you write Jean. John you are calling. In that John, Ja is there. Ja means means vulture. So what is the confusion in that?
Okay, sir. Got it.
Very simple, right?
So there's an easier way of knowing it, sir. Ma'am, just say Z. Z. Does it make sense? No. You have to add a vowel to it. Z, za. So the A is important here.
Correct. So you have to pick the swaram from the letter. Understand? Because we are playing only with how much? 8 plus 2, 10 swaras only we are playing. Okay,
Exactly.
8 swaras plus 2, which is given to the vulture. That's all. So whatever might be letter, kaka kakana, chacha chachana, tata tatana, papa papama, whatever you go, or yarala va. Okay, wherever you go in that particular letter, I want to identify the swaram. Which swaram? The first letter in that first letter, which is the swaram hiding in that. That's
Like
all.
in your own name, ma'am, like it is Shakti. It is actually, there is no word like Shakti. There is no swara like sha.
Correct.
There is sh, sha.
Sha means a.
That's
Yeah,
it.
that is understood, sir. Shakti Sha is there.
Shakti madam, I'll tell you what is your confusion, because while writing John, you are putting John, G-J-O. Understand? What I am saying, you don't go into that process. John, Ja. Ja means there is an A.
Okay.
That's all.
So then it is vulture, no, sir.
Vulture only, correct. That is what. John
That's what I'm also saying. It's vulture.
Correct. No, my doubt was because you asked doubt in John, I told no.
No. That's what I'm saying, that it's vulture, it is not peacock.
There is a Jaunpur. So that should clarify. There is a place called Jaunpur. So
it's
so
a
that
vulture.
is a vulture.
That's
That is a vulture. Yes.
So my I'm sorry. I think this Jyothi, no, I read it as John, and he is written there. So I'm thinking, how come that has become peacock?
It will take some practice. Why? Because if you see that book also only 5 or 6 names, but here we have discussed close to 30 names. Why I did it? Because it is not that easy. It takes some time. That is the reason I am giving the trick. Any first letter, you pronounce it in a deeper tone. In the deeper tone, you will identify that swaram. Now, for example, like Jyothi. Okay, Jo. Oh, in the Jo, there is a O. Understand? That's all. Anybody still having? Don't tell me the name and ask me to identify. Instead, anyone didn't identify the logic, you can ask me. There is nothing to feel wrong. Understand? Only when you are not understanding the logic and you are giving this name, that name, it doesn't make sense to others. Because later tomorrow when you are going through the recording, you yourself will not feel like going to the recording. Like these kinds of doubts we ask that like that. Understand? So anything you didn't understand in the logic, please go ahead. Okay. Umashankar, what will be the bird?
Crow.
Perfect. Super. You definitely whoever said that, they will master Pancha Pakshi.
Thank you, sir.
I think it's my own Pakshi, Peacock Pakshi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Bhopal.
Peacock.
Bhopal.
Peacock.
Bhopal.
Crow, sir. Crow.
That will be crow.
Normally in North side they will call Bhopal. In Tamil Nadu side they will call Bhopal. Understand? Bhopal means you will boo. In that Bhopal, boo. Who is hiding? Who is hiding means who is coming automatically.
Crow, sir.
Meenakshi.
E is
Owl.
owl.
Super. Nice. Narendra Modi.
Vulture.
Okay, super. Manoj.
Vulture.
Rajini.
Vulture.
Kamal.
Vulture.
Super. Okay. Now you have become experts.
Ram and Ravan also vulture, right?
Yes.
Ram and Ravana.
Correct. But what if they are born in okay, only Nama Pakshi means we can take? Correct.
Yeah.
I think Ram would have chosen some particular direction, everything to travel. Because in fact, Ravana had a better knowledge in terms of Shastras.
Yes,
even
yes.
written Ravana.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. See, don't take it otherwise. It's not like I'm feeling something. Because I want you to being an expert in this. If I spoon feed, right, you will definitely not master this. But if you give some work to your brain, because it has put in the most simplest, you tell me who will put in Kannada, Tamil, Hindi and all.
No one will, sir.
So you have to put little bit of strain and stress into that because I want you all to be masters. I don't want you to use the application. I want you to write rather application. Every morning in 15 minutes, you should write that sheet and you should come like a master. That is where we are focused. Okay, why did I plan for 3 levels? Okay, so 7 days, 7 days, 3 levels. Okay, you will see in the end, maybe we will combine both and do 2. We'll see all that. But the ultimate thing is once, like in all my courses, I'll say, whatever course you do from me, in that end of that course, you would have got the maximum. By going out, you need not go to a teacher. Rather, you will be a teacher in that subject. Okay, so put that little efforts. After putting also, if you are not able to understand, definitely I am there. Understand? Otherwise, I will not have students from 8 to 9 years. The same classes, there are so many students who have been staying with me from so many years. Okay, fine. So is this Nama Pakshi clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Hopefully no one is angry on me.
We are happy to learn, sir.
Okay. Fine. Now, so we have done with the circus of Nama Pakshi is done. Okay. Now, very, very important is this identification of Paksha. Okay. You all will say, sir, what is this, sir? Shukla Paksha, Krishna Paksha, waxing moon, waning moon. What is the big difficulty? Believe me or not, it literally took 6 years to beg with my guru and to understand what is Krishna Paksha and Shukla Paksha. Why? Because there are 2 major obstacles in identifying that Krishna Paksha and Shukla Paksha. Can you all think what are those obstacles? To exactly say this is Shukla Paksha and Krishna Paksha. Screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Visible, sir, visible.
Okay, Uma madam, you tell me what is Krishna Paksha, what is Shukla Paksha?
Sir, it is the waxing and the waning moon, as you said.
Madam, na English yo Tamil okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So,
like
from what
so,
it to what it is Krishna Paksha, what it to what it is Shukla Paksha. Because without knowing this, you will not be able to see. Sometimes you will
yes,
From
sir.
Amavasya
to
to Purnima, it
Purnima, it is Shukla Paksha. From Paurnami to Amavasya, it is Krishna Paksha.
Very nice. Okay. That is what I wanted to ask from you all. So like this only, I was also thinking for 6 years, all times my bird was dying, I was thinking it was rolling.
Okay.
So this is a secret. After a lot of beggings and everything only, we got this secret from Gurunadhar. Gurunadhar was very reluctant to give that. Okay. So take it down. See, I am saying Prathamai. In your language, if it is Pratipada, Padya, you take it whatever you want. Means the very next day of Amavasya. Right. The very next day of Amavasya to this Paurnami, it is Shukla Paksham. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, the very next day after Purnami also there will be in Prathamai, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Guruji.
After Purnami.
Purnami.
To this Amavasya, it is Krishna Paksham. This is the golden secret. If you know this, if you don't know this, most of the times your Pancha Pakshi will go wrong. The entire 90% of Pancha Pakshi in that 1 year, he taught everything. Okay. But to teach this and some other things, It really made life difficult. Learning from a guru is very difficult. That too from a knowledgeable, experienced guru is even more difficult. One who doesn't know anything, he'll give whatever comes in his mouth. Understand? Unfortunately, today we are not having those kinds of gurus. Astrology would have been far better. Not keeping in hill stations and cheating people. Okay. Day and night. Okay. In this Shukla Paksham also, there is day and night and day and night. Sometimes what happens, the Tithi will be there till morning. Morning 10 o'clock, there will be Tritiya. Understand? Or morning 7 o'clock, there will be Tritiya. Should I take Tritiya or Chaturthi? All the doubt and all will come. That and all I will come discuss in the upcoming classes. But is this Krishna Paksha and Shukla Paksha clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, Guru.
Oh.
Sir.
Somebody is having doubt. Told sir. What is the doubt, sir?
No doubt, sir. Said yes, sir.
Okay.
All clear.
Arnab, sir. Okay. Because I'm writing in this iPad, I don't know who's talking, who's now, in this class, all of your voices are, what is that? Sounding similar. Very easily, I will identify Prasad sir's voice, Padma madam's voice, Uma madam's voice. Okay, Uma madam's voice is now unique. There is no replacement for that voice.
Sure voice, sir.
But to Padma madam's voice also, one or two similar voices I am finding. Finding it difficult. Okay, fine. Okay. And of course, Prasad sir's voice is very easy for me to identify. Okay. Now we will go to the time conversions. Okay. For all practical purpose, we will take a day as 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. next day. Okay. The sunrise, sunset, some corrections are needed that I will teach you later, that you need not worry. 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. Don't think of 6 p.m. Understand? Day means 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. Why I am saying not to take 6 p.m. I'll teach you. But as of now, if I am asking you day, from today 6 a.m. to next day morning 6 a.m. That is your day. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, super. So, like I told, one day is equal to 60 naligai. Okay. And one morning is nothing but 12 hours. And one night is nothing but 12 hours. Therefore, I told one day is equal to 60 naligai. That means one morning will be how much?
30.
30.
Super. Perfect.
13.
Yes,
correct.
sir.
And one night also will be 30 naligai.
30. 30.
Okay. This 30
Sir, what
naligai.
is this? Sorry, sir, what is this?
Naligai is a unit conversion. If you know that much, it is sufficient, sir.
Can you spell that?
You can just write
NA
naligai. N-L-I or N-A-Z-H-I. Anything you can write.
Okay,
So this
okay,
30 naligai is 5 birds. You are giving it to 5 birds. So for one bird, how many naligai will come?
6.
6 naligai.
Correct. 6 naligai will come for
One bird.
one bird. Okay. So, but they told one naligai is 24 minutes. One naligai is equal to how much? 24 minutes. Therefore, 6 naligai will be how much?
2 hours.
Very difficult
24.
calculation.
44, sir. 144.
144. 2 hours 24 minutes.
சொல்லிட்டீங்களே ஆமா
ஏன் சார்
ரொம்ப யோசிச்சு சொல்றீங்களே
இல்ல எழுதிட்டு இருந்தேன் சரி அது ஓகே
$144 minutes.
Correct. 6 nalika is equal to 144 minutes.
There is no voice.
I think sir has got
Sir has got
disconnected.
disconnected.
Yeah.
Let's go disconnect. 2 hours 24 minutes.
Can somebody say what will be my bird?
Anna, your nakshatra?
No. From name.
Vulture.
Vulture.
Vulture. Vulture.
Why?
Is there?
Yeah,
Pra.
the vowel is the answer.
Yes. A is the correct.
Pra.
It is, though it is P and R, both are
Sign.
in consonants.
Yeah, we can do the exercise on our name itself.
Yeah.
Until sir joins.
Okay, fine.
Sir has come.
So we told 2 hours 24 minutes is equal to 1 Jamma, right? So that
Yes,
means
sir.
in a day of 12 hours, how many Jammas will be there?
6.
6.
Five.
5.
5.
5, sir.
5. 2 hours 24 minutes. So
Let us
5.
come to one conclusion. 5 or 6.
5.
Sir, 5, sir.
At least if you are told 8 Jammas, I would have felt happy. Okay, still Jamakol mindset, you are all there. 6 is something unexpected.
That is 1.5 hours, no, sir. 1 Jamma.
90 minutes, 1 Jamma.
Correct. So totally 5 Jammas will be there for 5 birds. Okay. So this much we have understood from today. So today we have understood what is that Nakshatra Pakshi and what is your Nama Pakshi, how to find the Nama Pakshi, and in Sukla Paksha how to find the Nakshatra Pakshi, and in the Krishna Paksha how to find the Nakshatra Pakshi. All that we have found out. Okay. So yes, another 15 minutes is there. Now I'll tell certain important Pakshis to write down. You will write down.
So
I am
one day equals to 5 Jamma and 1 Jamma equals to 90 minutes. Am I right?
No, sir, you are wrong. 1 day is equal to how many Jammas I told? 1 day is equal to 5 Jammas. Each Jamma is 2 hours 24 minutes. Okay. 2 hours 24 minutes is 1 Jamma. Therefore, in a 12 hours of a session, there will be 5 Jammas.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Fine. So, now what you all do is, you all write down. I am much relieved. My iPad work, my hand pain is now less. Okay. Write down. There are 5 birds and the general order of 5 birds you write. General order of the 5 birds. Vulture. Owl. Crow. Cock. And peacock. Vulture. Owl. Crow. Cock. And peacock. So you have to mute yourself in the background. Okay, because if your background noise should not disturb or irritate somebody tomorrow who's listening to this recording. Like I told, if 30 plus people are here, 20 plus people are not able to attend because they have some other professional commitments. Okay, and even tomorrow, if you are going to recording also, it will look ugly unless and until you have a real necessity to unmute your mic and talk. Kindly don't unmute. See, I don't need this recordings to hear again. Understand? My gurus have imprinted like a Xerox copy in the mind again and again and again. So it's for you only. Let it look good. Fine. Next. you write general activities of the birds. Eating, walking, ruling, sleeping, and death. Eating, walking, ruling, sleeping, and death.
Sir, after walking, what it is?
Death. Eating, walking, ruling, sleep, and death. Eat, walk, rule, sleep, and death. This is general order, okay? But it will change. We give 4 variations, right, Shakti madam? Krishna Paksha, Shukla Paksha. Shukla Paksha morning, Shukla Paksha night. Krishna Paksha morning, Krishna Paksha night. For all this, these orders will change. But general order is this one only. This is the base. Eating, walking, ruling, sleeping, and death. Eat, walk, rule, sleep, and death.
Ruling. Okay.
Eat, walk, rule, sleep, and death. Now you write, in this, eating and ruling are very strong. In this, eating and ruling are very strong. Sleep and death are weak. Sleep and death are weak. Sleep and death are weak. In that also, death is very, very weak. In that also, death is very, very weak. So, now let us write on sample Jamagra table. You put Sunday morning. Irrespective of the Paksha, it will be the same. You write Sunday morning. You put Jamma number 1. 6 a.m. to 8:24 a.m. is the first Jamma. 6 a.m. to 8:24 a.m. is the first Jamma. 8:24 a.m. to 10:48 a.m. is the second Jamma. 8:24 a.m. to 10:48 is second Jamma. Okay. Ten 48 a.m. to 1:12 p.m. is the third Jamma. One 12 p.m. to 3:36 p.m. is the fourth Jamma. And 3:36 to 6 p.m. is the fifth Jamma.
3:36 to
6 p.m. Because 6 p.m. is only ending of the morning, right? 12 hours you are taking. Okay. Now, suppose somebody is coming at 10 o'clock morning to you. Pakshi order. Anyways, we are not going to discuss it. But let us assume somebody is going to come at 10 a.m. What will be the Jamma?
Second Jamma, sir.
Number
Super. Very nice. If it is 11:15 a.m.
Third
11:15 a.m. at third Jamma.
11:15 p.m.
11:15 p.m. it will be the night, sir.
Third
That's
Jamma.
no.
Third Jamma.
Then also
Third Jamma only.
Yeah.
Third Jamma. Okay, the
Irrespective
same thing
they
repeats.
are right. 5 Jammas, right?
Yes, it is.
Somebody is coming at 4:45 p.m.
Fourth
Fifth
Jamma, sir.
Jamma.
How fourth Jamma?
Fifth Jamma.
Fifth Jamma, fifth Jamma, sir. 4:45, right?
Jammakul?
Jamma. It will be in the last eighth Jamma.
Such a easy question I asked.
Yes, sir.
Not relevant here. Just checking because you are already there. Fine. Okay, last one. Someone is coming at early morning, 6:15 a.m.
First Jamma.
First Jamma only.
5:45 a.m.
What's that?
5:45 a.m.
Last
Jamma.
That will be the
Fifth
fifth
Jamma.
Jamma.
Fifth
Fifth
Jamma.
Jamma.
Perfect. Okay. Very nice. Next, you write Tithi Pakshi. Tithi Pakshi. You put 2 columns. This is for Shukla Paksha. Okay. Shukla Paksha you write, and then next you put the Tithi, 2 columns. In the left side column you write as Tithi, and in the right side you write as Pancha Pakshi. Tithi and Pancha Pakshi. Pratama, Sashti, Ekadashi. All these are vulture. Pratama, Sashti, Ekadashi. All these are vulture. Next, Ditya, Saptami, Dvadashi. Ditya, Saptami, Dvadasi. Owl. Tritiya, Ashtami, Trayodashi. Crow. Tritiya, Ashtami, Trayodashi. Crow. Chaturthi, Navomi, Chaturdashi. Cock. Finally, Panchami, Dashami, and Purnima or Paurnami, however you want to write, is peacock. Panchami, Dashami, and Purnima is a peacock. Now we come for the Shukla Paksha, Krishna Paksham, that is Amara Paksham or Krishna Paksham. You write Pratama, Sashti, Ekadashi. Pratama, Sashti, Ekadashi. That is peacock. Pratama, Sashti, Ekadashi is peacock. Dvitiya, Saptami, Dvadashi is cock. Dvitiya, Saptami, Dvadashi is cock. Tritiya, Ashtami, Trayodashi. Tritiya, Ashtami, and Trayodashi is crow. Chaturthi, Navami, and Chaturdashi. Owl. And the leftover, that is Panchami, Dasami, and Paurnami will be vulture. Okay. So if you are born on this particular Tithi, and your respective bird will be, like for example, if you are born in Sashti in Krishna Paksha, your Tithi Pakshi will be peacock. So this has a very important usage. You may ask, sir, why Tithi Pakshi? That I will discuss. When for what purpose the Tithi Pakshi? It's very, very excellent for one thing. If you do that in that Tithi Pakshi, it will give Siddhi easily. Those things I will teach you in the application part. Okay. Need not worry about that. Okay.
Small clarification. The first one you gave was Shukla Paksha. Second one is
Second one was Krishna Paksha, correct.
Okay. And the 15th Tithi will consider as Shukla Paksha.
Which 15th?
Amavasya Paurnami,
that we told, na. See, the first one I told for Purnami. In the Krishna Paksha, it is Amavasya.
Yes, Guruji. Okay. Okay.
If I had said Purnami, correct it as Amavasya.
So, Purnami is Peacock and Amavasya is Vulture. Am I right?
Correct. Paurnami is Peacock, Amavasya is Vulture. Correct, sir.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
So I'll repeat it, okay. If somebody has missed it, you please note it down. In Shukla Paksha, Pratama Sasti Ekadashi is Vulture. Ditiya Saptami Dwadashi is Owl. Tritiya Ashtami Trayodashi will be Crow. Chaturthi Navami Chaturdashi will be Cock. Panchami, Dasami and Purnami will be Peacock. Similarly, here in the Krishna Paksha, Pratama Sasti Ekadashi will be Peacock. Tritiya Saptami Dwadashi will be Cock. Tritiya Ashtami Trayodashi will be Crow. Chaturthi Navami Chaturdashi will be Owl. Panchami, Dashami and Amavasya will be Vulture. Okay, fine. Let us see how much you all remember. Okay. Mega, what is the Nama Pakshi?
So mine,
A.
it is Nama Pakshi going to be cock, sir.
Car. Correct.
Okay.
Right.
I just said one name, but automatically I forgot Mega Madam is there in the class.
Okay. So you already taught so well. I don't think any confusion will be there.
Okay, nice, nice. If you all understood, that is the biggest satisfaction.
And you've given us the practice also, so thank you.
Nice. Okay, fine. So today's class I'll end here. Okay, like I told in the end class 7, I'll take your feedbacks. Any doubts if you have, we can clarify. What is taught here within what I have taught? Within whatever I taught, any doubt, anything you didn't understand, you are more than welcome to ask your doubts.
I have one question, sir.
Yes, sir. Please.
Okay. Yeah, for Nama Pakshi, do we also have a Shukla Paksha and Krishna Paksha, or Nama Pakshi is
really,
independent?
Not required. You can take generally for this Nama Pakshi.
Okay, thank you.
Anybody, any other doubt?
So one question. So there is you've taught Nama Pakshi, you've taught Tithi wise also. So in for future classes, maybe you'll teach. We have to take everything in one, or you will teach how to do it in Nama Pakshi and Tithi. Or
See,
temporary.
Nakshatra Pakshi is always important for you. That is that will not change from your birth to till your life. But Nama Pakshi has certain important things, certain activities only if you use Nama Pakshi you will get success. That time your Nama Pakshi will supersede your Nakshatra Pakshi. What are those occasions? I'll definitely tell you in the ending day.
Okay, sir.
And sir, what is the relevance of this Tithi Pakshi then? Like that will also have some importance?
That is what I said, no, Padma madam. Regarding the application of Tithi Pakshi, I'll tell you what if you don't tell you the result.
Okay.
So question, but I'll definitely say.
One question, sir. One question, sir.
Ah.
Okay, well, although you have not taught us about the friendship enmity, just curiosity, I'm saying, even Nama Pakshi becomes an enemy of the birth Pakshi. Then it's a problem. This will.
Abhijit, sir. So you only clearly told we have not taught, right? I said in the beginning only, within what is taught, you have to ask. Now you are asking a question. No, sorry and all. Why? Because you are asking a question. If I answer, then others also will not understand, right? Your question should be in such a way, so others are also gaining out of that, right? Your question should give a clarity to others. It should not create one confusion. Definitely, whatever you are asking, the friendship, enmity, and all, 100% will discuss in this level on itself.
Guruji, you mentioned as eating and ruling as very strong and sleeping and death is very weak and very weak. How about eating and walking?
No, that is what I'm saying. Eating and ruling only I told as powerful, no?
Yeah, and action, okay.
And
Walking, what will come actually?
sleeping and death is, I told, very weak. Walking means what? It is neither strong, neither weak. It is in between.
Okay.
Tatastha. Mitranu,
Sir,
Shatrunu.
no, you please continue. Yeah.
Hmm.
Sir, I couldn't get exactly the spelling of ruling. It is RULING.
RULING only.
So these birds are ruling. Ruling means they want to rule over someone.
So not really. Rule means something you are powerful. Understand? That's
Okay,
all.
powerful. Okay, exercising power.
We need not take in that way. Ruling means something which is in a powerful activity. Dying means something which is useless. A dead body is not useful for any purpose. It doesn't going to serve anything apart from going to the mud. Okay. So death is something powerless, and ruling is something powerful. When you eat food also, you get lot of energy. In fact, food is the one which is responsible for your ATP, right? Adenosine triphosphate. So eating is also very, very powerful activity.
Sir, one question.
Sir,
Jamma start from 6 a.m. If sunrise before 6 a.m., then?
Sir, that is what I told now, sir. I told you very clearly. As of now, you consider 6 o'clock to 6 a.m., 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. Whenever there is some changes, how to need, I will change that, I told. Right.
Okay. Thank you.
Ajit sir, all these things I have answered. You should ask what is concept is not clear. Right. This is already told. I told you like 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. will keep. In some people, for some people, some sunrise will be 5:45. There are some extreme places in north eastern side. For them, 4:30 itself it will start. Right. Those variations I will teach whether to take that or not to take that. All those things we will teach. See, India, it passes nearby to equator, so we don't have a problem. Those days in Tamil Nadu when Siddhar started, they were more relevant to south, like Andhra. Andhra is always a border for Tamil Nadu. Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and all. And Cheranadu. Cheranadu is Kerala. So here it is almost like that variations will not be very much big. Either it can rise at 5:45 or it can rise at 6:50. So they kept at 6 a.m. But there are extreme differences. Okay, that extreme differences we can see. Okay, that is not a problem.
You see, like for example, for example, in England, in summer, the sun rises around 4 o'clock.
Correct. That is what I said, Margarita. That we will see in the end day of the class. Understand? The time variations only requires 1 or 2 minutes of my lecture. Once I say that, you will be able to understand it. Not a problem.
Yes.
Any other doubts? Anything you didn't understand? All clear? You can ask, see, if it's related to the class, you are more than welcome. Okay. Why other doubts I am not answering, I am stopping is because you might have studied somewhere else, or some concept you would have already undergone, or some in blog or some YouTube you would have undergone. But there is no necessity that other students also would have done that, right? So when I'm answering for your question, they may get doubt. So generally, what kind of doubts I'm encouraging? Within what is taught, you are asking. That doubt, if it is answered, it will be helpful for the other student also. Understand? That is the reason I always encourage your doubts, but keep it confined to what is taught.
Guruji, while about in the nakshatras, when we are dividing, we already divided according to the Shukla Paksha and Krishna Paksha.
Correct.
Already, and again when we are coming to the Tithis, again we are dividing the Tithis also into Shukla Paksha and Krishna Paksha.
Correct.
So we'll generally get some people will get different two different
Correct.
buds.
Right? For Tithi Paksha, you may get a different. See, for example, for me, my what is that? Tithi Pakshi and Nakshatra Pakshi are one and the same. But it may not be the case for everyone. For somebody, Tithi Pakshi will be different. Nakshatra Pakshi will be different. Nama Pakshi will be different. Lagna Pakshi will be different. Rasi Pakshi will be different. Understand?
Okay,
so which one we are going to use, which one we are not going to use, that you will be clear at the 6th or 7th day.
Okay.
But like I told, two Pakshis are always very, very important for you. First predominant is your Nakshatra Pakshi. Second is your Nama Pakshi. Tithi Pakshi, where to use, when to use, all those things I will teach. Clear?
Yes, Guruji. Jamma will also get in Jamma also Pakshis? No.
No. That Jamma Pakshi means we will use it to identify the Sukshma Pakshi. I told you, right? Sukshma Pakshi is the minute Pakshi when you are born. How to identify that minute Pakshi, that Jammas will be helpful for us.
Okay.
That you will see in the day 7 where we do the practical application. Because till now you all don't know how to do the table, right? You all don't know what is the table, how to derive a table, right? So those things also needs to be taught for you all. Once you know how to derive the table, that time we will see all that.
Okay, Guruji.
Fine. Are we good to close for the day?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Guruji.
Thank you all for your
Thank you, Guruji.
patience
Thank
and
you,
your
sir.
time.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Good night. Good night all.